Hey everybody, I wanted to make another video, kind of show you what I've come up with. I just recently acquired a 2014 Nissan Frontier, and the Frontier comes with a nice couple of cup holders in the center console, and these cup holders come with some rubber inserts. The only problem if you're drinking anything like insulated mug or insulated tumbler and you stick your cup into the rubber inserts, it is secure. Your cup's not going to tip over. The only problem is when you take it out to take a drink, that rubber insert sticks to your mug. It can kind of be a pain in the butt. It is secure, but it's inconvenient to have to try to take that rubber insert off every time you try to take a drink of your beverage. So I got an idea from another YouTuber, and the idea is you just kind of ditch these rubber inserts. I designed this plastic insert that fits into the cup holder area, and the holes are exactly the right size for my insulated tumblers and insulated thermoses. You can secure it down with some double stick tape on the back, and once you secure it into the cup holder area, it's nice and secure, won't move. You can put your insulated tumblers, your insulated thermoses. They fit right into those holes. It's secure. They're not going to tip over, and you can take them out very easily. Makes it really nice, really convenient. I do make these for sale. These have I have a Nissan logo designed in the middle. If you're interested, these are for sale. I can also customize it. I could put no logo in the middle, or I could put your name or anything specific that you wanted. I can customize the size of the holes to make them bigger or smaller. Up to you. There will be a little upcharge on the design if I have to change the size of the holes, or if I put in a different logo. It'll be a little bit more expensive, but if you're interested, just contact me, and I'll let you know the pricing, and we can get it sent out to you. But it is nice. It makes it a lot more usable, that center console cup holder. All right, well, that's it. Thanks for watching.